Hello, duties, and welcome to Feartastic. So, what if you come across a man who will believe only what he sees with his own eyes and negate everything he can't? Will you call him eccentric and ignore him, or humor him and hear him out? Rajat Kapoor's beautifully written and directed Aankhon Dekhi breathes life into such a man, fills him up with not hot air but a mix of foolishness and wisdom that is at once arresting and inviting. He is fool, clown, and a man. All in one, he is us. So, first of all, let's talk about the movie. Again, spoiler alert, duties. This movie is all about the lower middle class struggle, but this time, struggle was about experiences of life and relationship. Story was okay to me, but what I loved was the real old Delhi. I have not seen any movies where old Delhi, Chandni Chowk, Jama Masjid, and nearby areas which are actually super congested were portrayed so well. None of the movies have captured old Delhi with such great precision. I felt nostalgic watching those old houses, shops, road, way people dress up. I mean, everything was actually real, including the language. I was wondering how they come all with these words I have heard from my mom, my nanny, my daddy, and my relative mouths. My roots are in Chandni Chowk and Sardar Bazaar. I feel so nostalgic. These background noises that can be heard with dialogues were super real. I was wondering how come director had captured them. Since we're real as I felt it I was living them, I appreciate how every possible minor details were captured. Since everything was so relatable, I got biased while judging this movie. But for sure, it is not a commercial movie, so don't expect it to be entertaining. And if you like to watch art movies, then of course you can go for it. So the movie starts with the problem with love marriage in India, where the family doesn't accept the male because just it's love from and a girl has chosen him. An incident changes the way actor thinks in these movies. He says reading newspaper is foolish because you can't be 100% sure it is true. Cocky, right? He now decides to only believe the things that he has seen or experienced, decides to see the things from perception and question the average existing things. He refuses to believe in God then, the holy food basically named Prasad in India. He says to priest that is just a food. Like really, he won't believe in God because he haven't seen them. This actually makes me question my mind. Like really, why do we believe in something we haven't seen with our eyes? And the interesting thing is, it's just 20 minutes into the movie. He then says that the worker is beautiful. We can see that he was conscious when he said that. This makes me question my mind. Why do we say and how do we say someone is beautiful or not? God has made everyone unique. Who the hell are we to judge any person? And how can we say that the person is beautiful or not just by his biological appearance? He realizes that nothing is nothing. Meaning language was just made for people's comfort and the things we say don't practically exist. What's more interesting is that he leaves his job of ticket counter just because he's not sure if it actually arrives because he have himself never been there. He always questions the existence, if gravity that it's only made by humans for their comfort of understanding things. Well, this actually fucked my brain up into actually realizing this. He then shows that a thing can be good for someone and same thing can be good for someone just by judging the taste. This needs to be realized by most of us because we do things that are bad for someone without even realizing it. Like admitting our son into the sector you think is good and we never realize that the fact the student can take serious actions just because what's good for us is bad for them. The funniest part of this is he doesn't believe the medicine that doctor gave him because he never experienced or say never saw it in action. Like really. After a scene of the boy speaking continuously, he realizes the fact that everything is there in present. You just have to see with your eyes open. In the movie, we can see that everyone calls him a mad lad. Yet, just because the things he's doing seems right, he continues it. And this is the thing we need to realize because we spend too much time thinking what will the society say if we do certain things. He makes us realize that we must do what we have passion about and don't care what the people say. During the daughter's marriage, he designs a simple wedding card which no one accepts. This makes me question my brain like what kind of the society we're living in, where the simplicity is not allowed. A person can't live a simple life and not do what he wants to do. And also makes me question about the materialistic society we're living in. The ending of Aankhon Dekhi is what the moment. It's equally hard-hitting when you follow the final scenes for the second time. Bauji's wife asks him laughing, "उड़ने का अनुभव है कभी तुम्हें?" Bauji's face falls and he spends the entire night without sleeping. As he creeps out in the morning, कुछ अनुभव अभी बाकी है. The interpretation of the ending vary from it being an allegorical comment on unconventional wisdom to free will to even schizophrenia. The film's first line, "मैं उड़ रहा हूँ आकाश में पंछी की तरह," seems metamorphic at first without any context, but the end is not meant as a tragic end of a madman, simply as an exaggerated effort of justifying a wonderful philosophy that one should reserve implications based on others' observations and believe only what one experiences on his or her own. When we see the ending, we finally see it through our eyes, removing the hidden meanings from the literal line, a simple truth of life that we had made complex. It's something we will never experience, the purity and ease of flying like a bird, feeling the wind and rustling through our faces. Bauji stares while flying. ऐसी खुशी जिसको शब्दों में बयां करना मुश्किल है. If it has to be felt, it needs to be seen through our eyes. ऐसी अनुभूति जैसी जीवन में दूसरे कोई थी ही नहीं. निराली, एकदम अद्भुत. ये यथार्थ है, सच है, ये आंखों देखी है. So guys, as a personal opinion, this movie has taught me so many things and made me conscious about questioning our life, about what are the things happening in our life. So as a personal opinion, go watch this movie right now. So I hope you learned something new today, and if you like the video, make sure to subscribe our channel and leave the comment and like this video. Share it with your friends so that they can also gain some knowledge. And that's it for today. Take care, stay home, stay safe. Thank you for watching.